I'm not coming here today for politics. When the time for politics comes, of course, you know I'm going to the tax. Nobody can challenge us in the state.
Nobody getting moral like a wicked.
Don't be worried. Whether those of you who came here or not, I know you like Bola Boy. You may not like me, don't worry, when the time passes. Because you know, at the end of the day, I will defeat them. So, those of you who have come to play, whatever you have agreed with the Ministry of Culture and Tourism and non business. But all of you that have come today, the Rivers people, and the Niger Delta people have come to play today, to show the talent you have, I'm very proud of you. All of you will go home with 10 million naira each.